Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Lexus ES 350 safely. First, always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. Make sure both cars are completely off and in park or neutral. Then, identify the positive and negative terminals on both the dead battery and the good battery. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe jumpstart process. Let's get those cables connected correctly. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. First, take one red positive clamp and attach it firmly to the positive terminal of your Lexus's dead battery. Next, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Then, attach one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. We're almost ready to get power flowing. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Quick recommendation: after all that car trouble, you'll want easy meals. Make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Lexus ES 350 away from the battery. This creates a ground connection. Now, start the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes to charge your battery. After this brief charge, try starting your Lexus. It should now spring to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.